When you start using a computer, one of the biggest challenges is knowing where your work goes. You may save a document and then later you cannot find it, or you download a file and it seems to disappear. This confusion happens because many people don't understand files and folders. Today, we will make this very simple. What is a file? A file is any piece of information stored on a computer. Anything you create, download, or save becomes a file. Examples include a Word document, a photo you took, a video, a music file, a PDF, a spreadsheet, and so much more. Each of these is a file. Files have types. Not all files are the same. Different files have different formats, such as .docs for Word document, .jpg or .png for image, .mp4 for video, and .pdf for PDF document. These endings help the computer know how to open the file. What is a folder? A folder is used to store and organize files. Think of a folder like a real-life file folder in an office or a school bag. Instead of keeping all your papers loose, you place them into folders so that they stay organized. On a computer, folders do the same thing. They hold files, other folders, often known as subfolders. Why are folders important? Imagine saving everything in one place with no folders. You might have 300 photos, 50 documents, and 20 videos. Finding one file would be very difficult. Folders help you group these things by category. For example, a work folder, a school folder, a personal folder, photos folder. Inside the photo folder, you might even have family, travel, events. This is called organization, and it saves time. Naming files properly. A file name should tell you what the file contains, because good names make searching easier. For example, budget _ 2026, assignment _ English. Where files are saved. Most computers have default folders such as documents, pictures, videos, downloads. When you download something from the internet, it usually goes to the downloads folder. If you don't move it, it stays there. You can move a file from one folder to another. For example, move a photo from downloads to pictures. This helps you keep things organized. You can also copy files. Copying creates another version of the file. You can still keep the original, but you also have a duplicate. This is useful when you want backup copies. When you delete a file, it goes to the recycle bin or trash. It is not fully gone until you empty the bin. This gives you a chance to recover mistakes. In short, files are your information. Folders help you organize that information. When you understand files and folders, you work faster, find things easier, avoid losing important documents. This is a major step in becoming confident with computers and building digital skills.
Yay!